How to determine the sum and product of the roots of a quadratic equation. So mas maganda, mas madaling i-discuss to kung alam natin yung mga basic terminologies na ginagamit natin. When we say roots, these are the values or solutions obtained from solving a quadratic equation. It means, these are the values of x na nakukuha mo kapag nag-solve ka. Sum of the roots is the result of adding the roots. Product of the roots is the result of multiplying the roots. Example tayo. If we have equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, pwede natin itong isolve by factoring. By factoring the x squared minus 5x plus 6, you will have binomials x minus 2 times x minus 3. Then using the zero product property, you have x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. By solving the resulted equations, you have x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. It means your roots are 2 and 3, and the sum of the roots is 5, while the product of the roots is equal to 6. But we have shortcut. Sum of the roots is equal to negative b over a, and the product of the roots is equal to c over a. Now let us try to apply this. We know that on the given equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 5, and c is equal to 6. Kung i-apply natin yung formula para makuha yung sum, negative b over a, negative, the value of b is negative 5, so negative times negative 5, over the value of a, which is 1. Negative times negative 5 is equal to 5 over 1. When we simplify 5 over 1, magiging 5 na lang. On the product of the roots, c over a, the value of c is equal to 6 over the value of a, which is equal to 1. We have 6 over 1, wherein kapag sinimplify natin, ay 6 na lang. So hindi na natin talaga kailangang hanapin yung roots just to find out kung ano talaga yung sum and product nila. We can just use the formula negative b over a for sum and c over a for product. Example number 2. Give the sum and product of the roots of the equation x squared plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. We know that the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to negative 5. So by applying the formula negative b over a, we can find out what is the sum of the roots. And using the c over a, kaya nating makita ano ba yung product of the roots. So let us solve for sum of the roots. Negative times the value of b, which is 2, over the value of a, which is 1. Kapag sinimplify natin, we have negative 2 over 1, or simply negative 2. For the product, c over a, the value of c is negative 5, the value of a is equal to 1, so we have negative 5 over 1, na kapag sinimplify natin, ay negative 5. So the sum of the roots is negative 2, and the product of the roots is negative 5. Example number 3. Give the sum and product of the roots of the equation 2x squared minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is negative 12, and c is equal to 4. So kung kukunin natin yung sum of the roots, negative b over a, negative, times the value of b, negative 12, over the value of a, 2. Negative times negative 12 is positive 12, over 2, so magiging 6. Product of the roots is equal to C over A. C is equal to 4 divided by the value of A, which is 2. So 4 over 2 is equal to 2. So the sum of the roots is positive 6 and the product of the roots is positive 2. Now, on this part of the video, kayo naman, magbibigay tayo ng mga equations and then hanapin nyo yung sum of the roots and product of the roots. Pwede nyo i-pause yung video para meron kayong time para isolve. Alright, nabay may natutunan po kayo sa ginawa nating tutorials. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan niyo po, pwede niyo pong i-like, pwede niyo pong i-share, at syempre, subscribe tayo mga katropa. Please mag-comment po tayo kasi ito po yung first tutorials natin sa math. So kung meron po tayong mga kailangang i-improve or kung meron po kayong suggestion para mas maayos natin yung tutorials natin, pakisulat na lang po sa comment. Maraming salamat po.